Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really interesting to talk about, especially if you're a content creator, or maybe you're just getting started on YouTube and feeling a little stuck trying to get those first real views. We've all been there, posting videos, editing for hours, adding the perfect music, tweaking the thumbnail, and then boom, maybe just a handful of views. It's frustrating, right? So when I came across something called the YouTube traffic formula, I was pretty curious. I decided to try it out, and today I'm sharing my honest thoughts and full review with you. So let me start with what this whole YouTube traffic formula thing actually is. The creator introduces it as a traffic system built to get views fast, without needing subscribers, a big audience, or expensive gear. Sounds pretty bold, right? The idea is that you can get thousands of views on your videos using a simple, repeatable strategy that focuses on ultra-cheap traffic. And when I say cheap, I mean views coming in at just a fraction of a cent. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like one of those too-good-to-be-true internet things. But here's the interesting part. The system uses paid promotion, which is probably through Google Ads, to get real views on your videos. The training walks you through how to set everything up step by step, and even includes over-the-shoulder tutorials so you can follow along exactly. It's not just theory. There are real examples, real campaigns, and actual numbers shown inside the training. One thing I really appreciated about the course is that it's designed to work for anyone, no matter what stage you're at. Whether you've got one video or a whole library, whether you're doing tutorials, vlogs, reviews, whatever your content type is, it can work with this system. And if you're not super tech savvy, don't worry. The whole process is broken down into easy steps, and you don't need any fancy gear or software. They even suggest using AI tools to speed things up, which I thought was a smart touch. It definitely makes it more approachable. When I tested it myself, I saw results start to come in pretty quickly. Within a couple of days, I had a noticeable increase in views. Now, were those views translating into subscribers and engagement? Some were, yeah. And that's actually the big point of this formula. It's not just about the views, it's about building up some momentum. The more views your video gets, the more social proof it has, and the more likely it is to get picked up organically by the algorithm. Plus, once you've got that initial burst of traffic, you can retarget that audience later, which is great if you're building a brand or promoting products or services. It's also nice that you're not stuck using this on just one video. You can rinse and repeat it across all your uploads. That makes it really scalable. If you've got a funnel or offer, you can use this to drive targeted traffic straight to it. So even though the upfront cost is low, the potential return can be pretty solid if you're smart about it. Now, just to be clear, this isn't a magic fix. You still need decent content. You still need to put in some effort, and you still need to set things up properly. But if you follow the training and actually apply what's taught, the system works. It's not shady. It doesn't involve fake bots or spammy tactics. It's just a smart way of leveraging paid promotion to build up your channel in a way that feels organic and real. Overall, I think the YouTube traffic formula is definitely worth looking into if you're struggling to get eyes on your content or if you want to scale your channel without waiting months for organic growth. It's super beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and honestly, pretty fun to play around with once you get the hang of it. Alright, that's it from me for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, consider subscribing for more content like this, and drop a comment below if you've tried any traffic strategies for your own channel. I'd love to hear how they worked out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.